Sharda probe. Anil Goswami will be replaced by a 1979 batch Kerala cadre IAS officer LC Goyal. The controversy has just begun, with Congress alleging high-handedness by the Modi-led government.
He is one of the topmost bureaucrats in the country. But powerful Home Secretary Anil Goswami has suddenly lost his voice.
To say that all these speculations are wrong about you calling CBI officials for Matan Singh? So have you been asked to put in your papers?
The reason for his silence may lie in the difficulty to explain the serious charge against him. To save this man, Matan Singh, a powerful former minister in the Narasimha Rao government, from getting arrested in the Saradha Chit Fund scam. Sources telling Times Now that Anil Goswami made frantic phone calls, first to the Joint Director of the CBI, and then asked him to get in touch with the investigating officer of the case in order to stall Matan Singh's arrest.
I think the MHA, the minister, is on record. He has said, we are looking into it, and if any official is found to be guilty, I'm quite sure under Modi ji's government, the action will be taken.
Interestingly, Anil Goswami was one of the few bureaucrats left over from the UPA government and survived the NDA acts.
अगर जांच में किसी तरह की कोई दखलंदाजी करने की कोशिश की गई है या कथाकथित दखलंदाजी करने की कोशिश की गई है, तो सरकार को उसकी छानबीन करनी चाहिए और उसके सारे तथ्य सार्वजनिक करने चाहिए.
This is not the first time our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is becoming a dictator, you know. A series of sacking of senior people. I think that, you know, this is something which is the beginning of a very big calamity. In the bureaucracy also is getting restless.
At 6:30 p.m. on Wednesday, Times Now was the first to reveal the writing on the wall.
There was a meeting this morning in which he had with Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh asked him for an explanation. After that, Rajnath Singh also called the CBI director, who told Rajnath Singh exactly about what happened, the whole sequence of events which unfolded before Matan Singh's arrest, and how pressure was being put by Matan Singh by calling Anil Goswami.
And that report was confirmed at 8:55 p.m.
Anil Goswami, Home Secretary, leaving after a meeting probably with the Prime Minister.
We are being told that he was summoned by the PMO officials and he has been sacked, marching orders.
After hectic deliberations between the Union Home Ministry and the Prime Minister's office on whether or not the Union Home Secretary Anil Goswami should be sacked, especially with the Delhi elections round the corner, the Prime Minister finally stepped in and decided to show Anil Goswami the door, very clearly sending out a strong message that indiscipline will not be tolerated. LC Goyal has now been appointed as a new Union Home Secretary. With video journalist Gopal Dutt Sharma, this is Prema Sridevi in New Delhi for Times Now.